hope you would have understood what are like terms and unlike terms. Okay, like terms means they will have same numerical factors. Like all the variables will be x, or all will be y, or all will be xy, like that. Okay, they will have same numerical factors. Only like terms we can add or subtract. Okay, unlike terms we can't add. Only like terms we can add or subtract. So here we will start with the sixth one now. Okay, exercise 3.3, the sixth Roman letter. The sixth Roman letter they have given add and find the degree of the following expressions. Okay, add and find the degree of the following expressions. So the first one they have given is 9x plus 3y and 10x minus 9y. So you have to add them, no? So instead of this and, what we will do, we will put the plus symbol. Okay, instead of and, we will put the plus symbol. So this is 3x, 9x plus 3y plus 10x minus 9y. Now group the like terms. Okay, which are the like terms here? See, you can underline the like terms. Okay, this is one like term, this is one. This is one pair. Second pair is this one and this one. Okay, this you underline with single line, this you underline with double line. So you will understand it properly. So group these single line things, that is 9x plus 10x plus 3y minus 9y. So this will be 9 plus 10 is 19, 19x minus 6y. Okay, 19x minus 6y. Now one more thing they have asked us, find the degree. Degree means what? Highest power. Okay, here the power of the variable is 1. Here also the power of the variable is 1. So we say degree of the expression is 1. Okay, degree of the expression is 1. Now similarly you have the second one. Second one they have given k square minus 25k plus 46 and 23 minus 2k square plus 21k. So instead of and you will put the plus symbol. And then group the like terms. Okay. So here you have k square and this is minus 2k square. So this is k square minus 2k square minus 25k. This is also k term. So minus 25k plus 21k, and here you have the third one 46 and here you have the third one 23. So group all that. Okay. So k square minus 2k square, this is minus 25k plus 21k plus 46 plus 23. So here you have k square. Okay, k minus 2 is minus 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So this is minus k square. This is minus 25 plus 21. Okay, different signs, subtract and put the bigger number sign. So minus k square minus 4k plus 69. Same signs, add and put the same sign. So this is plus 69. So minus k square minus 4k plus 69. Now the third one you have 3m square n plus 4pq square and 5mn square minus 2pq square p. So in same way, instead of and you put the plus sign. So here you have 3m square n. Okay, 3m square n and this is 5nm square. See, here also the square is on m. Here also the square is on m. So these two are like terms. Okay, like that you have to see. The square is on m here, the square is on m here. So these two are like terms. And here you have pq square. Okay, pq square and q square p. They are also like terms. So 4 minus 2 will give you 2. 3 plus 5 will give you 8. So this is 8m square n plus 2pq square. Same signs, add and put the same sign. Different signs, subtract and put the bigger number sign. So this is how you will do the sixth one. Okay. Now we will go for the seventh one. Seventh one, what they have told? Simplify and find the degree of the following expressions. The same thing only. Okay. So whenever you have a minus sign outside the bracket, what will happen? The symbols inside will change. Okay, the symbols inside will change. So you have to use that rules. Minus into minus is plus, minus into plus is minus, plus into minus is minus, plus into plus is plus. These rules you need to apply here. Okay. So first thing what you will do is, first you will remove the bracket. So before the bracket, whatever is there, as it is you have to write. Okay. Before the bracket, as it is you have to write. So this is 10x square minus 3xy plus 9y square, and this is minus into plus is minus, minus into minus is plus, minus into minus is plus. So here you will get 10x square minus 3x square, this is minus 3xy plus 6xy, then 9y square plus 3y square. So 10 minus 3 will give you 7, 7x square plus 3xy plus 12y square. After grouping the like terms. Okay. Now which is the what's the degree they have asked. So here you will get, this is 2, okay. And here you have the power of x is 1, this power of y is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Here also 2. So degree is 2. Here also you need to write the degree, okay. For the 6th Roman letter, for all the sums you need to write, okay. For here what you will get? Degree is how much? This is 2. Degree is 2. Here when you see what's the degree? This is 2 plus 1, 3. This is 1 plus 2, 3. So degree is how much? 3. Okay, here the degree is 3, here the degree is 2. Similarly, for 7th Roman letter, first one, you have the degree means the highest power, which is 2. The second one you have, second one there is no bracket, okay. So directly you have to group the like terms. So here you have 9 a power 4 and minus 6 a power 4. Both are like terms, and then you have the cube terms, a cube, and here also a cube. So minus 6 a cube plus 7 a cube. Next is the square term, minus 3 a square. Okay, minus 3 a square you have, and you have 5 a square. So group that also. So 9 minus 6 will give you 3. 3 a power 4. This is minus 6 plus 7 will give you 1 a cube, and this is minus 3 plus 5 will give you 2. So this is 2 a square. So which is the highest power here? Here it is 4, here it is 3, and here it is 2. So we say the highest power is 4. So degree of the polynomial is 4. Okay, degree of the polynomial is 4. So this is how you will do the second one. Okay, there is no bracket, so need not remove the bracket and all. Directly you can group the like terms. Next one you have third one. Third one you have 2 brackets, okay. So first what you will do, first you have to remove the innermost bracket. Okay, first you need to remove the innermost bracket. So here we will write 4x square minus 3x minus bracket 8x. This is minus 5x square, minus into minus is plus 8. Okay, so first we have removed the innermost bracket, that is called simple bracket. Next you need to remove the square bracket. So this is 4x square minus 3x. This is minus 8x. Minus into minus is plus 5x square. Minus into plus is minus 8. So here you have 4x square. Okay, group the like terms. 4x square and 5x square you group. Then minus 3x minus 8x you group. And then here you have minus 8. So 4 plus 5 is 9. 9x square minus 11x minus 8. So from this, which is the highest power? 2. So we say degree of the polynomial is 2. Okay, degree of the polynomial is 2. So this is how you will do the third one. And now we will go for the one words, okay. One words you have 3p square. Okay, you have to add all this. So group the like terms. When you group the like terms, what you will get? For p square, you don't have any like term. Okay, so this is 3p square itself. Then pq, you have one like term. So this is minus 5, 6pq and pq. Okay, so this is 6 plus 1 is 7. 7pq minus 5pq will give you 2pq. and then q square you have 2q square minus q square, that is 1q square. So finally you will get the answer 3p square plus 2pq plus q square. Okay, when you add up all this, what answer you will get and what is the type of that? That is monomial, 1 term, binomial, 2 terms, trinomial, 3 terms. Okay, quadrinomial, 4 terms. So here how many terms are there, or you can name it as polynomial itself. Okay, so many terms are there, you can name it as polynomial itself. So here you have how many terms? 1, 2 and 3. 3 terms you have. Okay, so this is a trinomial. So the first answer is trinomial. Take that. Okay. Monomial means 1 term. Binomial means 2 terms. Tri means 3 terms. Okay. So this answer is 3. Now the 9th one you have the degree of this expression. That is, here the power is 7. Here the power is 3. Here the power is nothing. 0. So highest one is this one. 7. Okay. Here the highest. Here there is no variable over here. No. So don't see this one. Okay. So here you have 7, here you have 3, that is the highest one is 7. The next one, if p of x and q of x are two expressions of degrees 3, then the degree of p of x plus q of x. Okay, degree 3 means suppose if you have something like, let's take 2x cube plus 4x cube. So when you add up both, what you will get? 4 plus 2, 6. You will get 6x cube. Yes, so what is the power of this? 3. So you get p of x and q of x are two expressions of degree 3. Then the degree of p of x plus q of x also will be 3 only. Okay, so you can see this example or you can take any example. So the answer for this is 3. Now we will go for exercise 3.4. Okay, in exercise 3.4, the first one you have is 6 square into 6 power m equals 6 power 5. Find the value of m. So we will start. So here you have 6 square into 6 power m equals 6 power 5. Now here what we are doing? We are using the product rule. Okay. We are using the product rule. That is, when you are multiplying with the same basis, powers what you will do? Powers you will add. Okay. When you are multiplying with the same basis, powers you will add. So this will give you 6 power 2 plus m. Okay, 6 power 2 plus m equals 6 power 5. Okay. When you are multiplying with the same basis, you will add the powers. So left hand side will be 6 power 2 plus m equals 6 power 5. Now, what you need to find? You need to find the value of m. Okay. Now, when you see the left hand side and right hand side, the bases are same. Okay. When the bases are same, powers will be automatically same. Okay, when the bases are same, powers will be same. So this is 2 plus m equals 5. So m value will be how much? 3. Okay, the m value will be 3. So this is how you will do the first one. Okay, the second one you have, find the units digit of 124 power 128 and 126 into 126 power 124. Now you have to remember the rules, okay, of the previous exercise. Now here the number is ending in 4. Okay, the ones place is 4. So in 124 power 128, see what you have to see is the ones place you have to see and the power you have to see, whether the power is odd or even. That is what you have to see. Okay. So in 124 power 128, the units digit of the base 124 is 4. Okay, the units digit is 4 and what is the power? 128 is an even number, right? And the power is even. So we say, therefore, units digit of 124 power 128 is 4. Okay, when the power is even, it will be 4. Now the next number is 126 whole power 124. 6 means it will not change. Okay, odd or even, it will not change. So the units digit of the base 126 is 6. And the power is even. So therefore, units digit of 126 power 124 is 6. So what you will get? The first one is, so what will be the product now? The product will be When it is 4, when it is 4, this will be 6. Okay, when it is 4, this will be 6. 124 to the power of 128 is 6. Okay, this will be 6. So this will be 6 into 6, that will give you 36. Okay, the rules what you wrote in the previous exercise you wrote, these rules you have to keep in mind. Okay, these rules you have to keep in mind and then you have to do them. So the first one will be 6. The second one also will be 6. So the product will be 6 into 6, that is 36. So second one, the answer is how much? 6. Okay. For 36, what is the ones place? The ones place is 6. And next one, you need to simplify this. Okay. Find the value of this. So what you will do on the numerator you have, see, you are multiplying with the same basis like this one. Okay, you are multiplying with the same basis. So powers, what you will do, you need to add. So this will be minus 1 whole power 6 plus 7 plus 8. Okay, the powers you need to add.